Good morning, students. Today, to start with our business organization session, we'll discuss about memorandum issue. Now, there are three main things that are there: memorandum association, article of association, and prospectus. So, we'll discuss about memorandum of association. Memorandum of association have 6 clauses. Clauses of memorandum of association are name clause, situation clause, object clause, liability clause, capital clause, and association and subscription. So today we'll now name clause. Under this clause, name is stated by which company is registered. The name of the company is necessary not only for its identification but also for a symbol of its personal existence. So name is important. A company has full independence to select the name, but while choosing a name, the following statutory restriction must be kept in mind. Like, must not be undesirable in the opinion of the central government. According to Section 20 of the Companies Act, a company will not be registered by a name which is considered undesirable and objectionable by the central government. That is, the name should not resemble the name of any existing company or which is identical. So, if I want to start a company, I can't write Tata, Bata because they are already existing companies. Second, it must not be prohibited under the emblem and names. According to Prevention of Improper Use of Act 1950, no company can use the words like emperor, empresses, imperial, king, queen, royal state, etc. without the approval of the central government. So no company can start. Apart from these names, pictures and seal of UNO, that is United Nations Organization, and World Health Organization seal or emblem of central state and local authority, and also the use of Indian national flag cannot be made. Now third is use of word limited or private limited. This word. So it is necessary that the name of every public company must end with the word limited, and name of every private company must end with the word private limited. The aim is that every person transaction with the company must be aware that the liability of the member is limited. Now, name the liability of the member is limited, that because in case of sole proprietorship, partnership, personal assets are also attached, but in case of public company private, they cannot be attached. Now, second is situation clause. Situation is where the registered office of the company is. Under this clause, the name of that state is mentioned in which the registered office of the company is situated. So, on the basis of this clause, only the jurisdiction of the company, domicile, and its nationality is fixed. By situation clause, it is decided whether the company is an Indian company or a foreign one. Generally, full address of the company is given in the memorandum of association at the time of incorporation. But if this is not done, the address of the registered office of the company must be sent to the registrar within 30 days of the commencement of the business or date of incorporation, whichever early. Like, take an example, when you go for a Reliance product, so their address is in Raymond Point, Bombay, so that is situation clause. Or when you go for Wipro